Hello everyone. Today we talk about the Power BI task that was in Power BI Championship, and I want to mention that no one could solve this task. This is a challengeable task, and this was challengeable for everyone that were in Championship. Okay, and we need to create this table, and it is final table. As a final, they had to create this what was created. We had product type, total sales, average sales, total quantity. When we click average and descending, it sorts average sales descending. But when we click product, for example, total sales, it sorts total sales descending. When we click total quantity, it sorts total quantity descending. Or if you click ascending, it should, and we have blanks, it should ascending quantity. You see, it's getting bigger numbers. Or if you click average, average is ascending. Click here, average descending. Total sales descending. Here, total sales ascending. Product type ascending. We don't have products that starts with A, so it starts with B. Product type descending, and it's blank. Okay, how can we create this table? Okay, at the start we have this table. We have product type. We have total sales. I want to show total sales. We quantity sold, multiply unit price, and we have total quantity. It just counts. Actually, it is some. Okay, okay, and we have average sales. Average sales. This is our average sales. Quantity sold and price average X. Okay, we need to create average sales, total quantity, total sales strings for clicking them, and it should be sorted by that buttons. For this, we need to create a table. We create new table. And by the way, we don't need to write DAX. We can create just enter data. We can write total sales, total quantity, average product type here. We can create table just clicking here, enter table, and we can write total sales, total quantity, average sales, product type. But we can create by writing DAX, creating new table. And in modeling tab, we choose new table and sort measure, sort by measure. It's just name. Okay, we can create data table and sort option. It will be string. ID, and it will be integer. Integer means whole number, as you know. I think you know. When we create, we use curly. When create table, we use curly bracket, and it will so total sales. For example, product type, product type. It will be one. Total sales. Two. Average. stream, and product type, total sales, product type, total sales, average, total quantity. So, okay, now we can select all this. We can select this and put sort. It is table. Okay, with sort options. So we just slicer settings. Single select, force selection, okay. And I want to just change its selected background. And layout, we need max rows, no, max columns. Okay. Okay, and we need to create ascending, descending, because when we click average and descending, it should show average descending form. And for this, we need to create another table, modeling, new table, sort the, again, data table. It will be string, and it will be descending and ascending. We can first I want to sort this, so we come here and we choose this and sort by column, sort by ID. So we can, it starts with product type, okay. And we need to copy this and sort order. Yeah, okay. Now Now we need to create a table, a measure that when we click, for example, total sales and ascending, it should push this table to sort for selected uh, strings. Okay, for this we need to create a new measure. It is sort measure. For example, for total sales ascending, total sales ascending. Oh, we should use rank X. And this is total sales ascending. This is total sales descending. . And for selected value, for quantity, we just change sales with quantity. Average sales, average sales, average ascending, average sales, average descending. Yeah, we had a mistake because we don't have ascending. We just keep it here. Just this, we need another measure for selected value. We just need to create product ascending. Okay, we should have these tables rank product ascending and rank product descending. You should have these columns. And here you should put that columns for sorting. So we need to put this measure here. Now we can sort with this measure. Okay, it sorts total sales. When we click average, it sorts average. When we click total quantity, it sorts total quantity descending. Oh, when we click ascending, total quantity descending. Okay, just we should ascending. Okay, this were blanks. Okay, when we click average, it show average descending. Yes. When we click descending, it shows average descending. Total sales, total sales descending, total sales ascending. Total quantity ascending, total quantity descending. What about average? Average descending? No, no, average is not descending. Mhm. No, average descending, yes, average is descending. Product type, Product type descending. Yes, it starts with S. Now it starts with B. And if you want to hide this, just like this.